You look young.
Me? Ew, don't say that. Okay, so yeah, so this is a questions video of 8 million questions of fucking.
No, we only have like 20.
That is more than 20.
No, that's count 10. With all the paper.
Okay, so question 1 from 0716. What do you think of me? Rate and to be honest.
Mm-hmm.
Mm.
People will probably think I'm crazy if I tell them what I think of you.
Oh, buddy.
But you're nice, and you live like 39 miles away. I mean, hours away, not miles. You live like a million miles away, but yeah. You're at 10, and to be honest, I love you.
Okay. What do I think of you? I don't know you. Like, you like my pictures on Facebook sometimes, but, I don't know you. But, you're cute. Rate 9. To be honest, I don't even know. But, you're cute. That's the first one. Okay, next question. You read it.
From 143, to be honest, and rate.
To be honest, you've always done it for me, but you didn't have one because you just for me. That's just being honest. Stop and never stop messaging me. Rate 8.5.
To be honest, I have no clue who you are. Rate 7.33335.
Look at her, guys. I died it.
I died it.
She died it. And I was scared because I was
Yeah, I was sure she was like drop my phone there.
Okay. Number 69. Do you guys wear makeup?
Do I wear makeup?
Yeah, me too.
But girls shouldn't wear makeup.
No, because they're beautiful without it.
I just wear makeup because makeup is makeup. And
Yeah, makeup's makeup. I don't think I'd be able to live without makeup.
I look like a zombie on scrubs without makeup.
You're so beautiful.
Okay, let's go.
Next question.
What one is it?
Number 7.
Okay. Number 7. Rate, to be honest, and what do you sincerely think of me?
Oh. Okay. Rate? I don't know if I want to say this. Rate? I mean, I'm gonna say. I'm gonna say 8. Rate 8. Yeah. To be honest, we hung out. We all, us 3 hung out. And you live in Lions, and me and your sister do not get along at all.
Okay, this is really obvious. That's gonna get more obvious.
And you're like Facebook famous. Yep.
Okay.
Well, I'm gonna yet.
Oh yeah.
What do you sincerely think of you?
Sincerely, not what you unsincere. Oh,
What do I
Lord.
sincerely think of you? I think you're cute to be honest with you, but I'm just gonna stop there.
Okay, rate 9.52267. To be honest, we hung out once. I used to like you. Used to like you.
Used to like you.
That's the key word in this whole sentence.
What the fuck?
What do I sincerely think of you? I sincerely think that you should not be so Facebook famous because it just makes me feel not Facebook famous, even though I have more friends than you do.
Used.
And yeah, we're just hanging out.
Did you see my fucking hair?
And I love your sister, by the way.
It's not even straight.
Anyway, next question. Cross it out. With the pen that you threw around.
Oh. Okay, number 42094. Taylor cannot read numbers.
I don't know what that is. I don't know.
Okay.
You don't know what it is.
Okay, so I'll do a question. What do you think of me? I don't even know you.
Okay, I think that you're always there for me, and I think you know the last kid that caused my problems because you said that you knew someone with that name and you go to his school.
Oh Lord.
But I think that you're very nice and we should hang out and I should make fun because it's good grudge.
So it's like dog walking the dog.
I need to stop. I need to stop. Okay. 3 plus 1. What do you have?
What number is that? That's 4.
No, he said not to use the number 4. He said to use 3 plus 1.
Oh my God.
3 plus 1. Will you have a threesome with me?
No.
No. Prove it.
No, bitch. What kind of question?
You're like my best friend, but no. Sorry.
I don't know you because I just fucking read the question. But there's more questions on here, so.
No, look who it's from.
I know, that's so weird. Oops. I'm breaking all this fucking thing. Number 17, what's your favorite color?
Purple.
Purple.
Yeah. Number
1,
2, 3, 5, 4. Why do you feel that you don't belong on Earth and how often do you smoke weed? I feel that I don't belong on Earth because the world sucks and the world sucks and the people suck and my town sucks and that's why I smoke pot. Every once in a while.
Why do I feel like I don't belong on this earth? Because I feel that no one cares about me because everyone just treats me like crap. Everyone,
Yeah.
like Stephen Allen Jones, yeah, he treats me like crap. I will put his name right out there. He is a idiot. Okay? I'll always be there for him. Yeah.
Need a pen?
Yeah, I love him, whatever, but he just treats me like crap for no reason, and I cry over him, and shit like that, so that's why I don't feel like I belong in this earth, because I fight with people way too much, but this girl...
We have to, answer, 20 more questions in the next 2 minutes, because 10 minutes is the longest you can go. So, let's go.
This girl has always done this for me, and how often do I smoke weed?
Every day.
Oh, yeah. Next question. Read it.
18, honest rate. Honest rate is 8.9965.
That was the longest one. I don't know you, so.
Yeah.
Truth is, number 4, truth is.
Truth is you can't drive. Truth is I love you to do with your sister.
Truth is you're like my mom. Truth is you cannot drive. No. And I love you. And thanks for the ride tonight. And
I love you. Okay. 99. Caleb, will you forgive me or still marry me? I thought we were already married.
And
yeah. We're all gonna die someday. Okay.
And we're all just gonna die.
8. Who do you hate the most? Who do I hate? Who do I hate?
Who do I hate the most? I don't really hate anyone.
Brandon East. That's what I hate the most.
Oh, got him!
Just saying. Alright, Zach, who do you hate? No one? Okay.
Well, I hate people. I just don't put names out there because that's not that. We have 30 seconds! Let's put a video up. We'll put 2 videos up.
Okay, we're gonna put 2 videos.
We're gonna put 2 videos.
So, if your question hasn't been answered in this half of the video, it will be answered
in the next half of the video.
Not
10 on me! Oh yeah, this bitch, we were walking down the fucking street today, and this bitch made me freaking try to take a picture of this freaking thing that had lights on the sidewalk, and the lady that was at the house that Drew was standing out her window, and she was looking at me like I was psycho, and then this because I knew she was standing there the whole time.
Alright, well,
I thought it was gonna end.
Well, it did end. Okay, so we'll start the next video in
30 seconds.
Okay.